on and on and carry on. Then the bottom, you know about this, see the man, I'm gonna have that car. It's have that thing, I'm gonna have that car. Yeah, it's such a vibrant thing. Vibrant thing, vibrant thing. Yeah, it's such a vibrant thing. Vibrant thing, vibrant thing. Yeah, it's such a vibrant thing. Vibrant thing, vibrant thing. Yeah, getting back to my MC status, where we're going to be able to take the ovens and do the old town situation. So they push herself over, she really wanted to let me see. She could say violated. Now it's folks like girls terminated. Saying, oh, there's some hard stuff in Europe, I'm not to feel about it. But yeah, it's because of the job, or go to the work, whatever, you know. As soon as by my side, we go on 95, you know, the staff is in the ride. I get ready to get to quit. We were finally on the cycle, I didn't have to quit. That's late, like, big, the home five, I saw you stay big, it's such a vibrant thing. Vibrant thing, vibrant thing, yeah, it's such a vibrant thing. Vibrant thing, vibrant thing, it's such a vibrant thing. Vibrant thing, vibrant thing, vibrant thing, vibrant thing, vibrant thing, yeah.
We have a cross right here. And this candle just broke the highest point, so I entered into a buy. Cross here. Got a break here. My trading platform is pocketoption.com. As far as my chart setup, I use the parabolic SAR and I don't change the settings on it, just whatever the computer offers, that's what I take. My second is the moving average. I actually have two moving averages. The first period is 24. It's an EMA, and the style on that one is green. My second one is an EMA as well. The period on it is 6, and the color style on it is red. The way that I use these indicators, if the red line is crossing over the green, that's an indication of a buy. If the red line crosses below the green, that's an indication of a sell. My next indicator is the Williams percentage. And when I set this one up, it's still the same numbers the computer give. I just switch it over to being a histogram instead of a line. Anything that is above -50 is considered to be a buy. Anything that is below -50 is considered to be a sell. The MACD settings, same thing. I use what the computer gives me, but I enter according to which way this thing is crossing. So the first thing I'm looking for is a cross. Second thing I'm looking for is a break in the candle level. So if this was to cross right now, which right now it's considered to be a buy, we have the green above the red line, we have the Williams percentage above the 50, and we have the red line above the green on this one. The only reason why I can't enter is because this is considered to be the highest point. Now that this candle has risen above the highest point, I can actually take that as a buy. A couple more seconds. 3, 2, 1. And that trade is now over. As you can see, we won. All right, moving on to another setup. I don't trade anything under 88%. So this pair, Euro NZD, has dropped to 76%. So I'm going to exit that. All right, let's proceed. Euro JPY. Let's see what it's doing currently. It's in consolidation because those two lines are stuck together. Let's see if it's going to update. Stuck together. Anytime you see the lines this close together, that is clear consolidation. Do not enter that trade because it can't figure out. The market is currently trying to figure out if it wants to go up or down. And I'm not saying that you can't win in this, but it's a headache. All right, here we have a recent cross. However, this is above 50%, but it's not high. And because this is red, this is showing us that it's getting ready to come down. If it was green, I would have more confidence. So what we need from this, in order for us to take a buy, we need this to turn green. We need these levels to actually move up. And I need this candle to reach above this candle. Looks like it's coming down, so let's go on to another pair. We have a crosshair, but it happened some time ago. So we're seeing this green here that lets us know that like any moment now, this is going to start bouncing back up. Actually, it looks like we could enter here. Let's go ahead and take this one. The cross happened some time ago, but all of the levels still look really, really good. The Williams is above the 50%, and this candle actually broke this candle. So let's see what we get out of it. Everything is looking really, really good. And we won the trade. All right, let's try to find one more. Now, as far as my trading style, I would not advise going over 1% on starting trades. Me personally, if I miss a trade, I like to double up. So as you can see here, I had a $5 trade. I missed it. So I doubled up to 12. And then I skipped up to 55. And then I hit it at 125. It's just my advice. Like I just like to double up. But I wouldn't start my trades over 1% of whatever this number is. That's just kind of like standard, but I'm not telling anybody what to do. I'm just telling you what I do. Also, another thing I want everybody to understand is the time chart, the time frame charts. So each one of these is going to lead into the next. And what I mean by that, the 5-second chart feeds into the 10-second, feeds into the 15. Every last one of these time frames is influencing everything that happened all the way up to the 1-day chart. So if we go to the day chart right now, this candle has 24 hours in it. This is everything that is going to happen on April the 7th. This is everything that happened on April 6th. So because I know that, if I start my trade on the 10-second chart and I miss it, I can also, I'm still going to double up, but I can also go here to the 15-second chart and see what influence these two charts had, because this number, this 5-second, is pushing all the way through to influence what's happening in a 24-hour candle. So if I miss on the 5-second, I could move forward to the 10-second and still use the same exact strategy to see what's going on. And that is what is making me so successful with this. All right, we have a cross here, and it looks like we're going to get a drop. Looks like it's stuck. It's not dropping. If it drops, I'm going to enter. There it is. Let's see how much time is left. 4 seconds. And there you have it, another win.